Hey y'all, I've recently been trying to up my hair product styling game. I got a little tired of buying run-of-the-mill products at, local convenience stores and stuff. So I figured I'd try to find some products that were a little bit more on the upper end. And I found a company that so far I've really, really loved everything that I've gotten from them. And it's a company called Hairbond. I bought 4 of their styling creams just because I don't know what I would use at this point. So I just figured I'd try all 4 and see what they are. And even if I don't use them now, I might use them later. So really have loved a couple of their products already. One of the things that I've really loved about their product so far is this professional hair primer. It's really helped to like smooth out my hair, keep it from tangling. It makes it really nice and easy to style my hair after using it. The smell on everything I've used from them has been fantastic. It's been subtle, but very well groomed, and like it just feels like it's a very professional company. So today I figured I'd try putting in my hair. I just got out of the shower. Let's see. Today I want to do the professional hair clay, which is called Distorter. If it's like the other products that I've tried from them, I'm excited to see what the smell is. I'm excited to see none of their products have felt very oily in my hands, and then spreading them across my hair has been very easy, and yeah, it just feels like a level above. So so when we open this here, let's read a little bit about how to open this. Number one, what I really like about all their products too is they keep them paraben and sulfate free. I don't know if that's something you care about, but all that really means to me is that they're trying to make an extra effort to make a great product that's not going to hurt you and keep you looking your best without extra weird stressors that come with it. So on this one, the directions say, rub a small amount between palms to coat your hands with a thin layer, apply to dry hair, and style in indie shape. So what I'm going to do is wait till my hair dries, and we will come back and actually try this one. But so far, let's just open it up and see what we get here. And we have a little protective case. And yeah, once again, it smells excellent. This is the most interesting texture-wise I've seen. It is a hair clay, so I think that the hold is probably really thick. Let's see what it says. About. Distorter is an elite styling product that creates texture with a supple finish. Flexible hold gives you great results with thick to straight hair. This product will give hair a vigorous quality as well as strong to medium hold, allowing you elasticity. Apply to dry hair and distort your own look, generating superb styling results. So I'm excited to get into this. I'm gonna come back once my hair dries, and let's give it a go and see how it feels. All right, y'all, I'm back with some dry hair. And I'm ready to try this Distorter. Before I started, though, I, in transparency, used the Wonder Hair Primer first. I've really enjoyed using this with the other Hairbond products. It kind of just gets wrinkles out. It keeps it from fizzing and, being frizzy and hair flying everywhere. It feels like it tightens up your hair so it's going to look sharp by the time you get product in it. So definitely check out my review on this if you're looking for a nice primer. So Distorter, the directions are rub small amount between palms to coat your hands with a thin layer, apply to dry hair, and style into any shape. So normally I do this kind of side swoop thing. Let's just see if it helps accent that a little better. And again, I do like the texture of it. And the smell is like a really interesting, I would call it like a classic sort of mint smell. Again, all the Hairbond products I've used have a really sleek, professional smell. They aren't overpowering, but it does turn your head and you say, that's really cool. So props to them for figuring that out. Let's take a little bit. Let's just take, now this is already the thickest that I've used. It is obviously like a putty, a clay, and they claim it's a hold strength of 3 of 5. So let's see how it holds. I'm going to put a little bit of this in my palms. Let's rub it together. And another thing that I really love about their product is how little the oiliness and the stickiness is. Like I can, sometimes when you buy a product, you just can automatically tell that it feels gross in your hands. So this Hairbond company really feels like they're trying to find their way above and give you a nice salon quality product. Spreading it through the hair, very smooth. Again, not oily, not sticky. It doesn't feel like I'm pulling hairs out. For a slicked back look, it feels like it's a nice, clean look. I really like that as the start. If you're kind of doing that like greaser look, this is probably the one you want to go with. Yeah, I mean, sleekness wise, that's a 10 out of 10. Now, normally I also run with, you know, a little bit of my like swoop just because that's my natural hair. And it still feels like it's holding really well. And it also looks like it's not darkening my hair with lots and lots of gross stuff. I would say that this product is probably better for keeping a sharper look, like with your hair back and nice pro look. Some of the other products, I felt like the pomade might even like do the swoop just a little bit better for me personally, but the fact is all of their products are fantastic. I really love how not sticky it is. I mean, you can see I still have the product on my hands and it's just not showing up. It's not doing weird stuff. My hands aren't sticking together. I love that. The smell is excellent without being annoying. So if you're gonna put this in your hair every day, you're gonna love the smell and it's not gonna bother you. It's just gonna be a nice accent to your morning that you have great hair. It's gonna smell great. You have confidence knowing that it's gonna be a great product. So overall, this Hairbond company really has gone above and beyond. I literally every product I've gotten from them, I loved. It's gonna be difficult to decide every morning which one I really want to go with. I've gotten a couple, and all of them are great in their own way. Distorter is no different, but all in all, hope this review helps you, and hope you love your hair as you start using their products.